Hello there, I am Srevut. Today, my friends and I went on a field trip to the Mong Rithy SenChey Agro-Tourism site located in Gambongspur province. It was truly a remarkable and memorable experience for the students of the Camp Top International School. As we arrived there, I was struck by the stunning landscape of the plantation fields. The lush greenery, colorful flowers, and fresh air made it feel like we had stepped into a different world. It was a perfect day for experiencing, enjoying, learning, and exploring. My classmates and I were also excited to learn about organic farming methods and how farmers grow fruits and vegetables without using harmful chemicals. Walking through the fields, I could see all the hard work that is put into producing these healthy foods. The vibrant color of the crops made everything feel alive. We also visited the animals farm where we got to meet a lot of zoo animals. It was fascinating to learn how these animals contribute to the farm's ecosystem. I even got to feed some animals and they were surprisingly gentle. Furthermore, we also got to ride a lorry around the farm. It was amazing and we had the chance to capture eye-catching views. While riding the lorry, we breathed in cool fresh air and the fragrant aroma of the plants and flowers. It was truly relaxing and amazing. I can't express my excitement and enjoyment enough. As we wrapped up our visit, I felt a strong connection to nature and a newfound respect for farmers. This field trip opened my eyes to the importance of sustainable practices and how we all play a crucial role in protecting the environment. And I am grateful for experiencing this unforgettable journey. Overall, this field trip was not just educational, but also a lot of fun, and I can't wait for our next adventure. Lastly, I would like to thank the school management team for arranging this wonderful field trip. And I am grateful that I get to experience this, and I can't wait for our next adventure soon. So now, thank you all of you for listening and paying attention to my presentation.